Conducting a crankshaft detection. So, Mr. Demeterio, kindly inform the bridge there's prior notice before conducting a crankshaft detection.
Copy, sir.
And then, don't forget to wear personal protective equipment, safety shoes, gloves, and flashlights. So, what else do we want to perform?
Sir, I'll be the one to perform the lockout and tag out, sir.
Okay, sweet. So,
Sir, I'll be the one who will get the cover of the crankcase cover and also the open the test car and prepare all the tools.
And I will also check the available spare parts, sir.
by the way, since we're conducting a crankshaft deflection, Mr. Lintulan, I would love to ask you that prepare the logbook and the other documents needed to fill up since we're conducting crankshaft deflection later.
Happy, sir. I will do that.
So that's it.
How about the breathing apparatus, sir? Are we going to prepare that?
Don't I almost forget. So prepare the breathing apparatus.
No, sir, I'll prepare the blower.
Blower since the working area is so hot and then there's less ventilation of that.
Sir, since the area is very risky, I will assist you in doing that. Doing the cancer.
By the way, if there's someone who is free for these rounds, kindly clean the work area in advance. And then, by the way, study the manufacturer's manual so that we can perform smoothly in corruption deflection later. So here's the manual and the engine.
Okay, so I'll do that. I'll clean the working area first.
Okay, that's it. So see you later.
Sir, how about the cancer, the tools needed?
Mr. Dimitri.
Okay, I will assist the Sir Dimitri, sir.
So if there is anything that you need some help, sir, I'll take it.
That's it. Thank you. So pag nag-crack pa na ta, actual na ta, mag-discuss pa na sa dalawa na ta.
Ito rin, sir?
Huh?